I guess y'all can tell I'm fascinated by the trees in Florida, man. I mean, they all the same, but in their own way, they all different. Man, some of them almost appear to be animated. A lot of them appear to be animated with the dinosaur feet. And I'm going to touch every tree in Florida, I promise. When I get my RV, I'm going to ride around Florida, just looking at trees. You want to see some beauty, that's where you better look, in Florida. I'm telling you. Don't believe what you see on TV. Beauty is in the trees and in the ocean, man. Midwest farmers' daughters, girls. For real.